Wagga Wagga High School Mathematics. The Mathematics Stage 6 syllabuses are designed to offer opportunities for students to think mathematically. Mathematical thinking is supported by an atmosphere of questioning, communicating, reasoning, and reflecting, and brings about opportunities to generalize, challenge, find connections, and to think critically and creatively. All Mathematics Stage 6 syllabuses provide opportunities for students to develop 21st century knowledge, skills, understanding, values, and attitudes. As part of this, in all courses, students are encouraged to learn to use appropriate technology as an effective support for mathematical thinking. At Wagga Wagga High School, we offer several mathematics courses, such as Mathematics Standard, Mathematics Advanced. Please be advised, students are required to make a formal application to this course in Term 3 of Year 10 and provide evidence indicating that they have maintained, as a minimum, an average of 75% across all assessment tasks in the Stage 5.3 Advanced course, or a minimum of 85% in the Stage 5.2 Intermediate course. Students who fail to meet this requirement will be given the opportunity to sit for an examination to verify their suitability for this traditionally demanding course in Term 4. Mathematics Extension 1, Mathematics Extension 2. Firstly, it is important that students choose the correct mathematics course from the start of Year 11. It will be difficult to change Year 11 course levels after the end of Term 1. The diagram below indicates possible pathways of learning into the available Stage 6 mathematics courses, dependent on the student's knowledge, achievement, and level of understanding of the Stage 5 mathematics, usually at the end of Year 10. The student will need to carefully assess his or her own position and be honest about such matters as study and work commitment. In summary, the student must be realistic about their ability, base their choice of HSC mathematics upon their interest, enjoyment, and success in mathematics to date, listen to the advice from their classroom teacher and from Mr. Chittick, the head of mathematics, talk to Ms. Fellows about the requirements of tertiary courses and careers to discuss alternatives. Finally, if choosing mathematics or Mathematics Extension 1, prepare well for all assessment tasks and the suitability examination in Term 4. Mathematics Standard is designed for those students who want to extend their mathematical skills beyond Stage 5. It is also designed to be practical and all topics relate to everyday life or to common uses of mathematics in the business world. The course offers students the opportunity to prepare for a wide range of educational and employment aspirations, including continuing their studies at a tertiary level, when Standard 2 is chosen in Year 12. This course is an alternative to the more formal and abstract Mathematics Advanced course. In Year 11 at Wagga Wagga High School, there are two options of Mathematics Standard. These are Mathematics in Trades. This is an initiative of the Apprenticeship Engagement Forum and the three partner high schools in Western Sydney. This course aims to ensure students can achieve workplace numeracy requirements as required in the Australian Core Skills Framework. It ensures students achieve all Year 11 foundational outcomes of the Mathematics Standard course and all outcomes of the Year 11 Standard Mathematics 1 course. And finally, it supports students to ensure they are confident, capable, and successful apprentices with proficient and practical numeracy skills. Option 2 is Mathematics Standard. This Mathematics Standard course provides students with the opportunity to develop an understanding of and competence in further aspects of mathematics through a variety of real-world applications for a range of concurrent HSC studies, such as life sciences and business studies. Please be advised, students studying either Mathematics in Trades or Mathematics Standard study a common Year 11 course. They follow the same syllabus and course outcomes. At the end of Year 11, students can choose either Mathematics Standard 2, which is a Category A subject, or Mathematics Standard 1 course, which is a Category B subject, which has an optional HSC examination. To be eligible for the ATAR, students studying Mathematics Standard 1 course must undertake a pattern of study to satisfy the ATAR requirements and complete the optional HSC examination. For the purpose of calculating the ATAR, no more than 2 units of Category B courses can be included. As stated, Mathematics Standard 2 in Year 12 is designed for those students who want to extend their mathematical skills beyond Stage 5, but are not seeking the in-depth knowledge of the higher mathematics that the study of calculus would provide. It is for those students who are intending to go to university, but who are not interested in the more mathematical subjects. It provides an appropriate mathematical background for students who wish to enter occupations that require the use of mathematics standard, skills, and techniques. It is a board-developed course and qualifies towards the calculation of an ATAR. There is a HSC exam of 2.5 hours. Mathematics Standard 1. It is designed for students who either do intend to go to university but have 10 other units of study that count towards the ATAR but want to include mathematics in the HSC, or do not intend to go to university but want to include mathematics in their HSC. There is a HSC exam of 2 hours. Mathematics Standard 1 is designed to help students improve their numeracy by building their confidence and success in making mathematics meaningful. Numeracy requires mathematical knowledge and understanding, mathematical problem-solving skills, and literacy skills. This course offers students the opportunity to prepare for post-school options of employment or further training. As stated before, what I had to consider, the Mathematics Standard Year 11 course is a common course for all students studying the Mathematics Standard syllabus. What will I be doing in the course? The Mathematics Standard course is focused on enabling students to use mathematics effectively, efficiently, and critically to make informed decisions in their everyday lives. It provides students with the opportunities to develop an understanding of and competence in further aspects of mathematics through a large variety of real-world applications for a range of concurrent HSC subjects. As stated, in preliminary and HSC courses, you'll be studying a number of subjects, such as algebra, measurement, financial mathematics, and networks. How will the subject be assessed in school? You will be assessed in a number of ways, such as in-class tests, an assignment or investigation style project, and with a final examination. The Standard 2 HSC exam involves 15 multiple choice questions and 85 free response marks, whereas the Standard 1 HSC exam involves 10 multiple choice questions and 70 free response marks. How will this course help me in the future? As stated, this course is an alternative to the more formal and abstract Mathematics Advanced course. It is designed to prepare students to use a range of mathematical techniques and tools successfully and appropriately in everyday situations and to support TAFE and other vocational courses. It provides an appropriate mathematical background for students who do not wish to pursue the formal study of mathematics at tertiary level, while giving a strong foundation for university study in the areas of business and nursing. Please note that it does not prepare students for further studies in mathematical courses beyond the HSC. Students intending to undertake tertiary studies should check prerequisites for specific courses. What have past students found challenging about this subject? As with all mathematics courses, it is a content-heavy course, which requires students to complete regular homework to achieve their potential. However, you might love the subject if this course is designed to present mathematics which is practical and can be readily applied in real-life situations. This course is suited to students who are not intending to follow a STEM pathway but recognize the need to have solid mathematical skills for their future. Mathematics Advanced is a demanding and challenging calculus-based course where students are given an understanding of important mathematical ideas such as a function and limit. It is highly algebraic. The course is focused on enabling students to appreciate that mathematics is a unique and powerful way of viewing the world to investigate order, relation, pattern, uncertainty, and generality. The course provides students with the opportunity to develop ways of thinking in which problems are explored through observation, reflection, and reasoning. The mathematics course provides a basis for further studies in disciplines in which mathematics and the skills that constitute thinking mathematically have an important role. Students attempting this course should possess an above average mathematical ability and a solid work ethic. It is designed for those students whose future pathways may involve mathematics and its applications in a range of disciplines at the tertiary level. And some university courses stipulate Mathematics Advanced course as a minimum recommended level of achieved required. Finally, students are introduced to mathematical techniques which are relevant to university courses such as economics and sciences. There is no major work, there is a HSC exam of 3 hours. What will I be in this course? It is aimed at those students who have demonstrated general competence in the skills of Stage 5 mathematics, an understanding of and competence in some further aspects of mathematics which are applicable to the real world. However, it is important to know that the course assumes that students have successfully completed the Year 10 Stage 5.3 mathematics course. In particular, have strong algebraic skills or assumed knowledge. Due to the content-heavy nature of the course, there is a limited time for students to review previous content, and for some students, this has negatively impacted their results. Students without the necessary Stage 5.3 mathematical background who are determined to study this course are advised to consult Mr. Chittick as soon as possible to organise adequate preparation material. In the preliminary and HSC course, you'll be studying a number of topics, such as functions, calculus, and financial mathematics. How is this subject tested? You'll be assessed in a number of ways, such as in-class tests, an assignment or investigation style project, and a final examination. The HSC for this subject involves 10 multiple choice questions and 90 free response marks. How will this course help me in the future? This course prepares students for further study of mathematics or mathematics-related courses at tertiary institutions. Students intending to undertake tertiary studies should check prerequisites for specific courses. A high level of competence in mathematics over Year 9 and Year 10 is required. Stage 5.2 students experience difficulty when attempting the Mathematics Advanced course. What have past students found challenging about this course? As with all mathematics courses, it is a content-heavy course which requires students to complete regular homework to achieve their potential. This is a calculus-based course with lots of mathematically challenging concepts and problems to solve. However, you might love this subject if you enjoy the more traditional mathematical skills seen in algebra, trigonometry, and geometry. You enjoy solving challenging mathematical problems, and this course is suited to students who are wishing to follow a STEM pathway. Extension courses are available for students studying Mathematics Advanced. Mathematics Extension 1 is a one-unit subject. The content of this course, which includes the whole of the Mathematics Advanced course and its depth of treatment, indicate that it is intended for students who have demonstrated a mastery of the skills of Stage 5 mathematics and who are interested in the study of further skills and ideas in mathematics. The course is intended to give these students a thorough understanding of and competence in aspects of mathematics, including many which are applicable to the real world. The course is a recommended minimum basis for further studies in mathematics as a major discipline at a tertiary level and provides an appropriate mathematical background for students whose future pathways may involve mathematics and its applications in such areas as science, engineering, finance, and economics. This course offers a rigorous, highly abstract study of mathematics that focuses upon functions, calculus, and geometry. Although the Extension 1 course is sufficient for these purposes, students of outstanding mathematical ability should consider undertaking the Extension 2 course in Year 12. There is no project, there is an exam of 2 hours. What will I be doing in the course? The content of the Extension course and its depth of treatment indicate that it is intended for students who have demonstrated a mastery of the skills of Stage 5 mathematics. The course is intended to give these students a thorough understanding of and competence in aspects of mathematics. It is also general educational merit, and it is also useful for concurrent studies of science, industrial arts, and commerce. Important. The Mathematics Extension 1 course assumes that students have successfully completed the Year 10 Stage 5.3 Mathematics course to a high level. Students wishing to study this course should have achieved an A or B in their Year 10 Stage 5.3 Mathematics reports. Due to the content-heavy nature of the course, there is a limited time for students to review previous content, and for some students this has negatively impacted their results. Students without the necessary Stage 5.3 mathematical background who are determined to study this course are advised to consult Mr. Chittick as soon as possible to organise adequate preparation material. In the preliminary NHSC course, you'll be studying a number of topics, such as proofs, vectors, calculus, and statistical analysis. How is this subject assessed in school? You'll be assessed in a number of ways, such as in-class tests, an assignment or investigation style project, and a final examination. The HSC exam involves 10 multiple choice questions and 60 free response marks. How will this course help in the future? As stated, this course offers sound preparation for the student who wishes to engage in tertiary study in mathematics/science-based courses and is highly recommended for such students. Students intending to undertake tertiary studies should check prerequisites for specific courses. This course is designed for students who have acquired a high level of competence in the Stage 5.3 course over Years 9 and 10. What have past students found challenging about this course? As with all mathematics courses, it is a content-heavy course, which requires students to complete regular homework to achieve their potential. This is a calculus-based course with lots of mathematically challenging concepts and problems to solve. Students may need to complete the extension components of the course before or after school, or during lunchtimes. However, you might love this subject if you enjoy the more traditional mathematical skills seen in algebra, trigonometry, and geometry. You enjoy solving challenging mathematical problems. And finally, this course is particularly suited to students who are wishing to follow a STEM pathway with a focus on further mathematical study such as engineering and physical sciences. High-performing students who successfully completed this course will be invited to study the Mathematics Extension 2 course. Mathematics Extension 2 course includes a Mathematics Extension 1 and Mathematics Advanced Year 12 courses. Students must have maintained a very high level of achievement in both the preliminary mathematics and preliminary mathematics extension 1 courses in Year 11. The study of Mathematics Extension 2 enables students to develop strong knowledge, understanding, and skills in working mathematically and in communicating concisely and precisely. It provides opportunities to develop strong mathematical manipulative skills and a deep understanding of the fundamental ideas of algebra and calculus, as well as an awareness of mathematics as an activity with its own intrinsic value involving intervention and exploration. The course provides a basis for progression to further study in mathematics or related disciplines, and in which mathematics has a vital role at tertiary level. It is a 1-unit course that's board developed. There is no major work. There is a HSC exam of 3 hours. This 4th unit of study is a 1-year course that's available only to students in Year 12 who are undertaking or who have completed the Year 12 Mathematics Extension 1 course. What will I be doing in the course? As stated, the course is a 1-unit additional HSC course that builds on the Mathematics Extension 1 course, as well as treating several other major topics, such as proof, vectors, complex numbers, calculus, and mechanics. You'll be assessed in a number of ways, such as an in-class test, an assignment or investigation style project, and a final examination. The HSC exam involves 10 multiple choice and 90 free response marks. How will this course help in the future? As stated, this course offers a very sound preparation for the student who wishes to engage in tertiary study in mathematics/science-based courses. This course is a very demanding and is intended for outstanding Extension 1 students. It represents a distinctly higher level in school mathematics, involving the development of considerable manipulative skills and a high degree of understanding of the fundamental ideas of algebra and calculus. What have past students found challenging with this subject? As stated, this is also a calculus-based course with lots of mathematically challenging concepts and problems to solve. As with all mathematics courses, it is a content-heavy course which requires students to complete regular homework to achieve their potential. However, you might love this subject if you enjoy solving challenging mathematical problems, and also this subject reflects a strategic focus to engage students in areas that will be critically important for the future, including career areas that may have not been invented yet.